What up? So today I am in the Range Rover. And I went and got that winch. Well, I actually just went and got it, but you'll see that here. Now, what am I doing with the winch? So I'm actually putting the winch on the trailer. I've got to mount that thing to the trailer so that I can actually get some in-ops in, like some tractors and stuff that aren't operable. So that'll just open up my market a little bit more than where I'm at now, which is great. I've got 3 clients that want me to go grab something, and basically I can't go get those because I don't have a winch. Well, problem solved. Now I do. And now I am heading to get I'm heading to Harbor Freight to try to find a mount for it. I'm gonna get the mount and then try to mount it to the cross member on the trailer. So we're gonna see how that works. It should work, maybe. I don't really know, but let's try it. All right, here at the house, about to check out this winch, see what it's looking like. So let's see what we got here, what we're working with. The box is nice, so we know that. So there's the part number. It's 97495. It's a Smittybilt. I did get this from 4 Wheel Parts. I think it was $320 out the door or something like that. Does have a warranty. That's awesome. Super simple wiring diagram, which is awesome. That's a pretty big deal there. So we'll move that. Let's see what we got in these boxes here. I'm gonna guess that this is probably one of those controllers there. And this is the winch itself. So let me go get a knife and we'll start cutting this stuff up. All right, cool. Got some scissors here. Now, the packaging itself is really good stuff here. We are in the back of the Range Rover. I will be doing a video on this thing probably this evening. But let's pop this joker open. See what we're working with here. What kind of unit we got. Looks kind of like a puzzle, but that's cool. So we got the winch here. That thing is nice, man. Super nice. Heck yeah. See what else we got in these boxes. We'll check these out, and then we'll put it together. Ah! See what we got here. As you can see, I'm pretty trash at cutting things with something in my hand. Suck pretty bad at it. Okay. Sweet embroidered Smittybilt thingy bob here. Clevis hook. The rollers. That's what's in that box. And these are going to be the electronics here. So I'll open these up for you here. Oh yeah, it's dialed. So we got that. Let's check out the rest of this thing here. Okay. All right, so I'll set it up with it. wiring. Let's see what's in door number 2 here. There you go. All right. Behind door number 2, looks like we have hardware. The controlling device thingy-mabob and the winch controller itself. So we're about to figure out, oh, that's magnetic, that's cool. So we're gonna figure out how to put all this together, and yeah, I'll show you guys that whenever I do that here in a second, like right now. All right, so got it all put together. Basically now what I've got to do is I've got to go to the parts store and get a longer bolt, basically the 4 bolts that go into the bottom of the winch mount. I've got to get a longer one so that I can mount that to the like crossbar on my trailer. So I'm going to get that, and I'm going to get a bigger drill bit, and we're going to go mount it. But here's what it looks like. I've got A, B, C, and D on, which is negative. The B, the C, and the D. I've got to mount this here, and it'll look like that. And then this thing's basically done. I've just got to put it on the trailer. All right, guys, so I've been trying to find bolts and a drill bit so that I could go up here and drill through the trailer and get it mounted. Finally found those bolts. They were super hard to find. Little pro tip, do not go to O'Reilly's or AutoZone or whatever auto parts store that's near you and look for an M10 by 1.0, because they don't have it. Apparently it's super fine, and Home Depot has them. Obviously, like Fastenal and stuff like that has them, but yeah, auto parts store does not have them. But I got some, got a new drill bit, a big one, and we're about to go measure it out and drill the holes and send it. So that's kind of the plan there. And I don't know if I told you guys earlier, I can't really remember, but I am filming on my iPhone today just to see how this goes. A lot of times I don't show you guys kind of in between things of what I'm doing throughout the day besides driving and stuff like that. But here's kind of what I'm doing today. We'll drill these holes. First we'll get them mapped out, and then I'll drill them, and then we will see how close we got. Hopefully it's on the money. That would be ideal, but you know that Zach look ain't that good, right? But yeah, let's check it out. All right, we got these holes drilled. A sweet drill bit, $20 drill bit, might I add. But we got the holes drilled. I don't need y'all to see my tag, but got the holes drilled, and now we're about to mount the winch here and see what we make happen. All right, as you can see by this picture here, I had it mounted, well, not really mounted, I had it mocked up. Holes are drilled, and I kind of came into a debacle with the bolts. So having trouble finding the right length bolts, which is totally fine. I got plenty of time to do that. So probably gonna find a Fastenal maybe tomorrow while I'm on the road, and I'll get that mounted up hopefully tomorrow evening or Thursday. But if I can get it mounted tomorrow, Thursday, I will have some work to do with the new winch. So that'll be pretty cool. But yeah, it sucks that I couldn't finish it completely today. But like I said, things happen, and I just missed my mailbox, so I gotta go back. But appreciate you guys watching. Just a little quick video into my day. you know, the days that I'm out on the road, what I'm doing, how I'm growing the business, how I'm getting better, how I'm adding things to my business to keep it rolling. Just little stuff like that. So, yeah, y'all have a good day. I'm out.